Streetex removes general soil on cuffs, collars, underarms, and necklines, road splash, excessive salt stains, any large food stain, and large watermarks. For this video demonstration, we will be working on general soil and sweat stains. Here are some important facts to know before beginning. Streetex has a neutral pH and will not affect pH-sensitive dyes. Streetex can be used in perk, hydrocarbon, HC boost, or lift solvent systems. Items should be dry cleaned after using Streetex. If a garment is completely saturated with Streetex, allow it to hang for 10 to 20 minutes before dry cleaning. To eliminate the risk of ring formation when wet side spotting, use Streetex for moisture leveling. Spray Streetex solution on areas of garments that have been wet spotted before cleaning. For light-colored natural fabrics, feather dry the treated area with the air gun before dry cleaning. Before you begin, Streetex is a concentrate and should be diluted at a ratio of 1 part Streetex and 4 parts water. When pre-spotting larger areas, spray Streetex on visible stains in areas where soil commonly builds up, such as necklines, underarms, hemlines, and cuffs. For heavily soiled areas, tamping or brushing on the hard surface of the board may be necessary. If needed, repeat the application until the stain is fully removed. Once the stain is removed, dry clean as normal. Thank you for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe to follow us for more Streets Academy videos.